Hello, I would love to invite you to join us for worship at 10:30. This whole summer we've been talking about foundational things, and it doesn't matter if you've been here most of the summer or this will be your very first Sunday visiting NoHo. We would love to have you. Now this week we're going to talk about the foundational importance of the young and the old in our midst. The bookends. This past week at my house, I have these open shelves in my office with two bookends, and one of them got knocked over and the whole set of books fell over. And it made me think of the importance of communities that really care for the children in their midst and really care for the elders in their midst, that when we do that right, it helps the whole stand strong. So we're going to be talking about that this week and invite you to join that conversation and our wonderful fellowship time in our beautiful courtyard after service. We are also continuing after service this week an opportunity to use our hands in packing kits for those in need, and you can take part in that as well.